Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm doing something very exciting. Like, this is not sponsored, okay? I decided to start doing some more videos of reviewing products that I will be trying, and those I've used that I like, very affordable and functional. All right, so I decided to start bringing them to you. So you're going to be seeing some videos from me where I'm going to be reviewing products that are not sponsored, and I will tell you from the beginning of the video that they are not sponsored.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So ladies, you all know, even if product I feature on the channels are sponsored or not, I'm going to tell you my blunt and honest review, no matter how I receive the product, no matter even if I purchase with my own money. So I decided to go on this adventure to look for a new mascara that it's non-brand, that no brand that is popular out there that all of you have known before. I do have a lot of kind of mascara with me. I have the one from Estee Lauder, I have the one from with this Revlon. Sounded too good to be true, so I said I'm going to start doing that. So you all should look out for products and even clothing whatsoever that I find very interesting and very affordable, and if I read the review and it says it's really good, I'm going to purchase it as long as I can afford it. So before we move on to this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. You don't want to miss this series. I don't know if that is what I should call it, but you do not want to miss it. Alright, so today I am going to be trying this. You all can tell I have my makeup on already, and I decided not to wear any kind of false lashes. I decided not to use any mascara because I'm going to be reviewing this mascara that I purchased on Amazon. This mascara is called the 4D Silver Fiber Eyelash Mascara. The brand name is Tatiana. It's called Tatiana Natural. That's what they wrote on the box. The box is really beautiful. It's pink and black, and we have this gorgeous lady at the front of it. At the back, they told you how to use it in order for your lashes not to be clumped together. They put the instruction on how to use it. The ingredients are listed at the back of it. Alright ladies, let's go ahead and know a little bit more about this product before I start applying it. And I'm going to open it for you to see how gorgeous and beautiful the tube of the mascara looks like. Tatiana Natural 4D Silk Fiber Lash Mascara, which gives your lashes a boost of volume and length instantly. Now you can effortlessly achieve your desired look. Apply the mascara in the morning and you will be covered all day. That's what they claim. It's supposed to be all day, and also it's waterproof. Stay bold and beautiful like never before. Say goodbye to spidery flakes and unnatural looking lashes, and say hello to dark, rich and stunning lashes. Advanced thickening formula creates softer and fuller looking lashes. It is good for sensitive skin. If you wear contact lens, they claim this is good as well. No problem. They said it is protected by a natural and non-toxic formula. That's what they use to produce it. So if you're sensitive or you use contact lens, according to their page on Amazon, you're good to go. If you're tired of your mascara flaking and smudging and clumping, this is a game changer. Product description. On their page, it says the magic wand for your ultimate eye makeup has arrived. Let Tatiana Natural surprise you with the total game changer 4D Silk Fiber Mascara with a gentle yet powerful formula. This mascara delivers volume, length, lift and definition for the ultimate gorgeous looks. With a single stroke, your lashes will be fully transformed. Whether you have short, thin, light lashes, the deep and the rich black mascara will coat your lashes flawlessly so that you could look ever so glamorous without having to spend money and time for false eyelashes. So it did came wrapped up in a plastic bag, but I took that off. Box out here, it also has other features of the mascara, which is about giving you some length and volume. It is waterproof, it's long and lasting, also hypoallergenic. All right, it's written on it, and it does have the expiration date that I like. So when you open this, it's gonna expire on May 11, 2025. So this is another plus. I like the fact that they wrote the expiration date, you know, very bold on the box, so that you will know if it's expired or not, compared to the ones that they will just put a symbol or a sign at the back of a product, because it's not everybody that know about when products are going to be expired in 12 months. Some people didn't know what those things symbolize, like what I'm showing you on the camera right now. If you see that it's 12, that means after 1 year that product is no longer effective, is expired. So a lot of people can't even understand what that means. So for this company to put the expiration date boldly written there, that's a plus for me. All right, so for this silk fiber eyelash mascara, and this is how it looks. Look at that, it comes in there's nothing else in there. It comes in this pouch that is really beautiful, and this is how the product, look at that, it's rose gold and black. It's a beautiful design, I like it. Beautiful. Another plus, they have the expiration date on the tube of the mascara. They have the expiration dates written at the back again. So if you misplace this, then you have no worry. You will surely know what the dates when this is expired. And this is a long time. This is 2022, right? And this is 2025 in May. You are purchasing this less than $20. I'll put the link in my description box just in case if you're interested. Remember, it is not sponsored. So ladies, we go for the application now, but according to their instruction, first of all, use your eyelash coiler to coil your lashes. That is to straighten it so that nothing will be going where they're not supposed to be. So I'm going to go ahead to apply it, and we're going to go ahead and look at the wand and look at that, how that looks. I don't know if it's small or big or tiny or fat. That it's not too fat, it's not too big, it's not too small. I like it. I like how the wand look like. And another tip I want to share with you quickly about mascaras: don't ever do like this into mascaras, like pumping hair into it. When you do that, it's going to dry on time. On this side, there is no mascara, and on this side, I do. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I could tell it, and this is just one application. Look at that, and look at this side. You can even tell. You look at my eyelashes on this side. You see how it's popping, right? It's showing. Like, this is really working, and that is just first application. Look at on this side. I have nothing going on there yet. All right, let's go ahead and do this side, then we'll do double application and see how it looks. Nobody can tell me nothing that this eye mascara does not work. This mascara is the bomb. Like, you need to check it out, ladies. This is the feeling I get whenever I use my Estee Lauder mascara, and you know how expensive that is. All right, this is like, it's just like a match of it. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Look at it from the side. That looks like false lashes. Look at how pointed my natural lashes are looking, and they are not clumps together. They look very natural. You would have thought I'm wearing like a very light false lashes, but those are my natural one. Look at that, ladies. It's waterproof. All right, it is waterproof. Yep. You see, and look at it, it's still there. It's still there. All right ladies, let me know your thought about this video in the comment section, and let me know how you like the review. This is an honest review. It is not paid for, it is not sponsored, it is my own review. I purchased it and I decided to try it with you and to tell you how I feel about it. I am loving it. All right ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Once again, please do like this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next non-sponsored video or sponsored video. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.